Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover basic introduction of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. JavaScript is also called JS in short. For the development of a web page, we use HTML, CSS and JS. The development that is done using HTML, CSS and JS is also called front-end development. For the development of a web page, the first requirement is a browser. A browser is an application software for accessing World Wide Web. Using browser, we could open a web page. Example of web browsers are like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer, etc. Examples of web pages are like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. But when we open Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. using a browser, then only it is a web page. When we open them using Android or iOS applications, then it is not a web page. Out of HTML, CSS and JS, HTML is used to give the basic structure to a web page. If we compare HTML with house building, then the basic structure of the house without plastering and coloring we could compare with HTML. CSS is used to style a web page. In the example of house building, plastering, coloring and all other decoration of the house we could compare with CSS. JavaScript is used to program the behavior of a web page. For example, in the web page, if we have a button, on clicking that button, what will happen that could be handled using JavaScript. jQuery is the advanced version of JavaScript. This is a basic introduction of HTML, CSS and JS. In the coming videos, we will cover them in detail. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.